Good morning,
Morning,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Good morning, everybody. Okay, take your maths notes. We'll continue with inverse trigonometry. Yesterday we have seen sine of sine inverse x, where inside we have inverse. Okay, let's say I talk about sine x and I talk about sine inverse x. What are x values here? Any angle which is in radians or degrees. But when I talk
Minus
about
pi by
sine
2
inverse
to pi
x,
by
Minus 1 to 1.
here x belongs to minus 1 to 1. Here x can be any number, not just minus pi by 2 pi by 2. Sin x is defined for any x value. It can be 1000 degrees, it can be 10 pi by 3, you can write in radians or degrees. But when you talk about sin inverse x, your x has to be between minus 1 to 1. And here your answer, the output is from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. And here the output is minus 1 to 1. Basically, these are principal values. The sin inverse sin x, you can write x only when x is within the principal values. Because sin inverse of something, whatever it is, the answer cannot go outside minus pi by 2 pi by 2. So we can cancel sin inverse and sin, no problem, provided that x is within the principal values. So basically, we wrote everything principal values for sine, cos, tan, and secant, cosecant, and cot. That's all. So yesterday we have seen formulas sine of sine inverse x. Yesterday also we wrote 6 formulas, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There we have inverse as the inner function and outer function is the original function, original sine and all. Once again, not today and tomorrow I may not be able to give homework from inverse trigonometry. So if you have any backlogs in trigonometric equations, either IP or mains or advanced, please try to complete.
Sir, should we submit the IP exercise?
I'll tell. Okay, tomorrow I'll tell. Okay, anybody any doubt in these 6 things?
No, sir.
No. Okay, I'm going to erase. Anybody needs more time?
Yes, sir. 1 second.
Okay.
So can we apply these formulas when x is not belonging to the domain? Means
No. The reason I gave this formula, see, it is not that questions don't exist like that. Questions exist. For example, they can ask sine inverse sine 20 pi by 3. They can ask. But you should not write answer as 20 pi by 3 because it is not within the principal value. If it is not within the principal value, what to do? Use sine 180 minus theta is sine theta or sine 360, some those formulas. Try to decrease this angle to principal values and then you can go.
yes.
Okay, I'm going to erase all these things.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so based on these 6 formulas, please understand we can cancel sine inverse and sine only when x is within the principal values. If it is outside the principal values, we have to use some formulas like sine 180 minus theta, sine 90 minus theta, 360 plus theta, and decrease the angle to within the principal value. So we'll do some questions. They may appear very simple, but they give some clarity on this. Sine inverse sine initial L degrees. Okay. Some of them you can directly write the answer. There is no need of any explanation.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, can you read out the question, sir? I'm not able to see the board properly.
You're not able to see. Why don't you rejoin?
Okay, sir.
If after rejoining also it's not visible, I'll read it, not a problem. Everybody please put on your videos, otherwise you'll be put in waiting room. Okay, BVP Kartikeya, are you there in the class? Okay, why don't you try to answer these questions, these 7 questions? Okay. Do you want to tell answers for first 3 questions, Kartikeya? What is the answer for first one? 7 degrees. Okay, I think you're sending messages. Okay. And the second one? 87 degrees. Okay. And third one? Minus 20. Okay, good. Okay, other question I'll ask somebody else. Fine. Okay, so in the first case, it is within the principal value, so we could write as it is. In the second case, it is not within the principal value, so I should write 93 degrees as 180 minus 87, which is sine 87 degrees, and that is within the principal value, so 87 degrees. This one is also not within the principal value, so I cannot cancel out. So sine inverse sine 180 plus 20 degrees. Sine 180 plus theta is minus sine theta, so I'll get minus sine 20 degrees. I'm going to take minus inside and write sine inverse sine minus 20. I can write here. Sine inverse sine minus 20 degrees. Because sine minus theta is minus sine theta. Now that is within the principal value, so I can just cancel out and directly write minus 20 degrees. Anybody any doubt in the first three questions?
No, sir.
Okay. You are able to see the board now, Namrata?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Snigdha, do you want to answer 4, 5, 6, 7?
Sir, I'm trying. I just came.
Oh, you just came. Then let me ask somebody else. Samskriti Raut.
Yes, sir.
What is
Sir,
the
I'm
answer for
doing the
4?
last bit. I'm answering the 5, 6, 4th, 5th, 6th.
Okay. Tell me the fourth one.
is minus 10 degree.
Okay. And fifth one?
For
You're doing.
40 degree.
Okay. So let me explain this in the meantime.
And 6th one is minus 4 degree. 6th one
Fine.
is minus 4 degree. So 7th one I'm doing, I'll solve it.
Okay. 350 degrees fourth quadrant. Anyway, this is not with the principal value. So first of all, you're supposed to write it as 360 minus 10. And sine 360 minus theta is minus sine theta. Because sine inverse minus sine 10 degrees. I can take minus inside this. It will be sine inverse of sine of minus 10 degree. Now this is within the principal value, so we can write minus 10 degrees. This is also not in the principal values, and so better to write 360 plus 40, which is sine inverse sine 40 degrees. Which is 40 degrees. This is directly within the principal values between minus 90 degrees to 90 degrees. So straight away minus 4.
Sir, last one is minus 80 degrees.
Minus 80. Yes, I think. Sine inverse. I can write minus sine 100 degrees. First of all, take a minus outside. And this 100, I can write 180 minus 80. Sine 180 minus theta is sine theta, so that is going to be sine 80 degrees. You can take this minus inside. You get sine inverse sine minus 80 degrees, which is minus 80 degrees. Okay, so mainly in the first one and sixth one, okay, the angles are in the principal value, so we are able to directly cancel out these two and write this. In other case, we have to transform using 180 minus theta, 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta, and bring down the value to minus 90 degrees to 90 degrees, and then we can cancel out. Is it okay? Anybody still any doubt?
Sir, last question was read out the number, sir.
Sine inverse sine minus 100 degrees.
Okay, sir.
Okay, those who completed, the next 7 questions I am going to give, all are same questions, but cos inverse cos. Same order. Cos inverse cos.
Sir, same value, sir.
Same values. Same values.
Yes, sir.
Saket, you understood these 7 questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what did you tell to do, sir?
What?
What did you tell to do?
I told next 7 questions I'm going to give. In the meantime, somebody want to do the questions what I told you. Same angles, but cos inverse cos.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes. Actually, I got disconnected, so I asked.
Okay, fine. I'm arranging these things. Anybody wants more time? No. Okay, Sriharsha, why don't you tell answers for these things?
Yes, sir. Just a minute. The first one is 7 degree.
Okay.
Second one 93 degrees.
Hmm.
10th one is 160 degrees.
Yes, correct.
11th one is 10 degrees.
Okay.
12th one is 40 degrees.
Okay. Let me explain up to here, then we'll come back. Okay. Okay. This one can be done in two ways. First of all, 0 degrees to 180 degrees is the principal value. These two are within the principal value, so we can directly cancel out. Whereas here, is not within the principal value. So either I can write 180 plus 20 or 360 minus 160. If I write directly 360 minus 160, it is quite easier. Because cos 360 minus theta is cos theta in fourth quadrant. So you will get cos inverse cos 160 degrees, that is within the principal value. So it is 160. If somebody writes, let us say 180 plus 20, nothing wrong in writing, but cos inverse cos 180 plus 20 is minus cos 20. We cannot take it out minus because we don't have any such formula, and we cannot take it inside directly. So we have to write minus cos theta as cos 180 minus theta, cos inverse cos 180 minus 20, which is cos inverse cos 160, and that is directly 160. Okay, so the first one is easier, but if somebody has already done this part, how to proceed is this. This is also not within the principal values. I think it is easy to write in terms of 360 cos 360 minus 10, which is cos inverse cos 10 degrees, so 10 degrees. The overall main point is, as long as the angle goes outside the principal values, use some 180 plus theta or 180 minus theta, 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta, something. Try to reduce the angle or limit to the value. This is 360 plus 40. Cos 360 plus theta is cos theta only. So we'll get cos 40 degrees, which is 40 degrees. Yes, what is the answer for 13 and 14?
4 degrees and 100 degrees.
Yeah, cos minus theta is directly cos theta, so it is easier. Cos inverse cos 4 degrees, so it is 4 degrees. Cos inverse cos 100 degrees, it is 100 degrees. Okay, next 7 questions are same, tan inverse tan. Today is maths counseling, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so today in the maths counseling, I'll take class for everybody, 4 to 5.
Okay, sir.
Because we are in the beginning of the chapter, there is not, I have to teach quite a bit in the beginning.
Done, sir.
Okay, what is out on the board? I'm going to erase. Anybody has any doubt or more, needs more time?
One minute.
Okay. You joined late or what?
Yes, sir. I was getting disconnected.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Surya Sanka, you want to tell the answers for this? Are you there? Okay. V. Harika, do you want to tell the answers for these questions? Okay, Giridhar. Okay, Jnanadeep want to try. Okay, tell Jnanadeep. Jnanadeep, are you there? Maybe you sent a message. Let me see. Okay. Okay, first one is 7 degrees. What's the second one?
Minus 87
Minus 8.
Minus 87.
Minus 87 degrees.
Okay. And we'll just finish it. It takes quite a bit of time. I'll ask people and they respond.
Sir, may I say?
Okay. So, we say tan 180 minus theta, so minus tan theta, so minus tan 87 degrees. I can put it inside and write tan of minus 87 degrees, which is minus 87 degrees. Okay. Yes, Namrata, what are the answers here?
20 degrees, sir.
20. Yeah, in third quadrant it is positive. Tan inverse tan 180 plus 20, which is tan 20 only. Tan inverse tan 20 and 20. Principal values for tan are minus 90 to 90. So this one directly fine. This one is also fine. Okay. And 18th one?
Minus 10 degrees, sir.
Okay. You can write tan 360 minus 10. Tan inverse tan of minus 10. You can add minus tan on also, not minus tan and then take it inside. Was tan of minus 10 degrees. Okay.
40 degrees, sir.
Sir, you called me, sir.
Yeah. You are not there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll ask you some other question after a while. Tan 360 plus theta is tan theta. So tan inverse tan 40 degrees, so it will be 40 degrees. Yeah, 20, what is the answer?
Minus 4 degrees. Sir.
Yeah, directly within the principal value, so straight away minus 4. And coming to this?
80 degrees.
Yeah, plus 80 degrees. Okay, good. Tan inverse, first of all, it is minus tan 100 degrees. Tan inverse minus tan 100, I can write 180 minus 10. And tan inverse of tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta, so minus tan theta. So which is tan
80, sir. 180 minus 80.
180 minus 80. Okay, thank you. So it is 80 degrees.
Sir, we should do cot now, sir.
No, I'll go further. I wanted to do cot, secant and all. I thought it will be too much. You got an idea. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I wanted to cot to differentiate between tan and cot because the principal values for cot were different, but it's okay. Cos will take care. So this gives a good enough practice. I'll just give for few questions in radians and then we'll go further. Okay. Okay. Anybody any doubt? Ask me. I want to write some questions. Let me write here. You say 13 pi by 6. Sine inverse sine 13 pi by 3. Okay, those are completed. Try to do these 4 questions. Okay, tan part everybody completed. Anybody still any doubt? Okay, a lot of people are in waiting room. If your video is off, you'll be also going to waiting room. Please put on your videos.
Sir, cot inverse cot 25 by 7, sir.
25 is yes. Okay, anybody want to tell answer for 22?
Sir,
Pi
pi
by
by
3,
3.
sir.
Pi by 3, sir.
By 3, sir.
Okay. So we have to try to write it as a mixed fraction. The nearest multiple of 3 is 12. So the 13, I can write 12 pi plus pi by 3, which is sine inverse sine 4 pi plus pi by 3. A multiple of 360 can be neglected. So we get sine inverse sine pi by 3, which is straight away pi by 3. Even though I know value is root 3 by 2, I don't have to write. Okay. Anybody want to tell for 23 answer?
Pi by 5.
Pi by 5,
Pi
sir.
by 5, sir.
5 by 5. Nearest multiple of 5 is 100. Okay, so cos inverse cos, I can write this as 100 minus 1 into 5 by 5. That is cos inverse cos 20 pi plus minus pi by 5. Like multiple of 360 can be neglected. So cos inverse cos minus pi by 5. And cos minus theta is cos theta only. So cos inverse cos pi by 5. And next it is pi by 5 because it is within the principal value. Okay.
Pi by 7, sir.
Pi by
Pi
7.
by
7.
Pi by 7.
Yeah, directly 8 pi by 7, you can write 7 plus 1 and pi by 7. Tan inverse tan pi by 7. 5 plus pi by 7, third quadrant, so it is positive. Okay, and 25.
6 pi by 7.
6 pi by 7.
Pi by 7.
14. Okay, you want to write 2 pi. That's good. Okay, you can write 14 plus 6 pi by 7. Cot inverse cot 2 pi plus 6 pi by 7. And again, multiple of 360 can be neglected. Cot inverse cot 6 pi by 7. And for cot inverse cot 6 by 7, within the principal value 0 to pi. So straight away 6 pi by 7. Okay, that's good. We'll just get 3 more of this type and then we'll go further. Okay, 26.
That is sine or secant, sir.
Sine only. Anybody still any doubt regarding 23 or 24 or 25?
No, sir.
No, sir. No.
Okay, 26. Sine inverse sine 30 in 5 by 14. Anybody want to tell the answer?
5 by 14.
5 by
5 by
14.
14.
15, sir.
5 by 14. Yes, you can write sine pi minus 5 by 14. This is sine inverse sine 14 minus 1 into pi by 14.
Sir, next one is 6 pi by 7, sir.
6 pi by 7.
6 pi by 7.
Okay. Okay. This is in third quadrant. Somebody can write pi plus pi by 7, but then there are two ways to do it. I can tell both. This is cos inverse cos. You can write 2 pi minus pi by 7. That is 8. You can write 14 minus 6. You can write 7 plus 1, or you can write 14 minus 6. Right now it is as it is, cos inverse cos 2 pi minus 6 pi by 7. Cos 360 minus theta is cos theta, fourth quadrant. So look at cos inverse cos 6 pi by 7. Our cos principal values are 0 to pi, it is within that. So it is 6 pi by 7. Whereas coming to, if somebody, let us say they wrote cos inverse cos pi plus pi by 7. And they might have got cos inverse minus cos pi by 7. And they may ask how to proceed further. They have to know this can be written as cos pi minus pi by 7. Minus cos theta is cos 180 minus theta, which is cos inverse cos 6 pi by 7, and thereby it is 6 pi by 7 within the principal values. Okay, so you can write like this or like this. Roll number 341, Vamsi, are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mithun, you're able to follow? 94 roll number.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, I got disconnected and came now, but still I'm not able to see the board. So can you repeat 28th question what you wrote?
Cot inverse cot 19 pi by 10. For others, is may
9
both
pi
clear?
by 10, sir.
9 pi by, yes, sir.
9 pi by 10.
Yes.
Both is clear. Fine. 19 pi by 10. You are saying answer is 5 pi by 10, na?
9 pi by 10,
9
sir.
pi by 10.
9 pi by 10.
9 pi by 10. You want to write pi plus, yeah? So 28 cot inverse cot 19 pi by 10. I can write 5 plus 9 pi by 10. That is cot inverse cot 9 pi by 10. Cot 180 plus it is cot theta. Now this is between 0 to 5 within the principal values. So I'll get 9 pi by 10. Okay, 29. Somebody may say, what is this? This is 1 radian. If nothing is mentioned, it is not degree. Don't think it is 1 degree, 2 degree, 4 degree, and say what is there? Answer is 6 degrees or 7 degrees. No. This is 1 radian. This is 2 radian. This is 4 radian.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, I'm unable to see the board clearly. Can I turn off my video?
Okay, try. Okay, I want to erase 26, 27, 28. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us see. Okay, anyway, coming to 29. Sine inverse sine 1 alone. What will be the answer?
1.
1. 1 radian is roughly 57.2 degrees and it is within the principal values for sine. So it is 1 only. So this part answer is 1. Sine inverse sine 2, what do you think will be the answer?
3.14 minus 2.
3.14 minus 2, yeah. Instead of that, you can say pi minus 2 also, right? Because 2 means 1 radian is 57.2 degrees and 2 radian means around 114 point. Let us say somebody would have given a question to you. Sine inverse sine 114 degrees. What you would have done?
180 minus
180 minus something,
180
right?
minus.
Yeah. So sine inverse sine 1 is 1. Fine. Sine inverse sine 2, because it is in second quadrant this angle, I am going to write sine 2 as pi minus 2. Now this is 180 minus theta. Sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. I'll get sine inverse sine pi minus 2. That is within the principal values. So I can cancel out these two and say answer is pi minus 2. Okay, so this answer is pi minus 2. Sine inverse sine 4. Roughly in degrees, how much it will be?
$228.8.
228.
57.2 roughly. So if you multiply with 4, 228.8. Let us take 229 or 230 degrees, not a big deal. How are you going to find sine inverse sine 230 degrees? Sine inverse sine.
50.
Sine 180 plus.
Yeah, you will write it as 180 plus 50. Correct. So I am going to write sine inverse sine pi plus 4 minus pi. Sine 180 plus theta minus sine theta. So I'll get sine inverse minus sine 4 minus pi. This is 180 and this is theta. Minus sine 4 minus pi. Okay, I can take this minus inside. Minus sine theta is and minus theta. So I'll get sine inverse sine pi minus 4. And this is within the principal values. It is between minus 90 to 90 only, because 3.14 minus 4 is around minus 1 or something, which is around minus 57 point or minus 50 degrees or something. Principal value. So I can cancel out and write pi minus 4. So this alone is 1, this alone is pi minus 2, this alone is pi minus 4. For some people, this will be quite confusing. Okay, I understand that. Try to understand as far as possible. Later on, I'm going to discuss something more about this. But I wanted to give an idea. If degrees are given, it is easier. Radians are given like this. In terms of pi, it is easier. When radians are given like numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, something like that, there will be some confusion. One way to avoid that is convert this into degrees, okay, roughly, and see how would you have done that. All right. In the same way you do it. Like for example, when it was 120 degrees or something, or 114 degrees, we would have written as 180 minus theta. So like that, I wrote pi minus 2. This is 180, this is theta, this. And now this is well within the principal values. Pi minus 2 means around 1.14. If you convert 1.14 radians into degrees, it will be some 60 or 70 or something, which is within the principal value. So we'll got it.
Sir?
Is it okay? Yes,
Sir. Sir, how it is pi minus pi by 2, sir?
No, can I cancel pi and pi? It is 2. They're not even about sign. Is it wrong to write 2 as pi minus 2? Anything problem?
No, sir.
No. Now sine 180 minus theta. This is 180 degrees. This whole thing is theta. I can write sine theta.
Okay, sir.
You can directly write this as this. What is the sine theta? You can write sine pi minus theta, right? If somebody is not happy with this, directly from here to here you write. What is the big deal? Anybody still doubt about sine inverse sine 2? Namrata, you are clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ritam Day, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, is 32 pi minus 3.
Which one is 2 pi minus 3? Total answer? Yes.
30.
2 pi minus 5.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So finally, the total answer for this total sum is 2 pi minus 5. This plus this plus this. Suraj Sanka, what do you think the answer for 30th question will be? Each one separately you want to tell?
I didn't do, sir. I'll do.
Okay.
Then 29th question, 1 plus pi by 2 minus pi by 4 will add.
Yes, correct. There are other ways to do these questions, but purposely I'm giving a hint before. 29 and 30, especially where we wrote 5 minus 10 all, there are some other ways. We'll discuss it a little later.
Sir,
Yes, please.
I didn't understand. Why did you write pi minus 2, sir?
Okay, directly you can write this. Even both this question and this question, directly 2 is here and you can directly write pi minus 2. Over here you can directly write pi minus 4. Why? Look at sine inverse sine 110 degrees and sine inverse sine, this is how much? 4 into 57, 200, okay, 230 degrees. Okay. Maybe many people will understand this. Just tell me answer for these two. Okay, just I'll come back, wait. What is the answer for this? Sine inverse sine 110 degrees, tell me.
70.
70 degrees, sir.
And the sine inverse sine 230?
Minus 50.
Minus 50 degrees.
Minus 50. So all of you agreed that. Okay, now from 110, how will you get to 70? From 180, you have to remove this, right?
Yes, sir.
So if this is theta, this is pi minus theta. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
230. From 180, if you remove 230, will you get minus 50? So if this is theta, this is pi minus theta. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is true. Any angle in second quadrant, if it is here, answer will be pi minus theta. Any angle in third quadrant, if it is there, answer will be pi minus that. So if this would have been 2, what would have been the answer?
Pi
Pi minus 2.
If this is 4, what is the answer there?
Pi minus 4.
That's it, done. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
30th one I'm getting 2 pi minus 3 only, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
2 pi
30th
minus
one.
3.
2 pi minus
Sir,
3.
2 pi minus 3, sir.
30th one. Achha. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Saketram, you were telling earlier 30th one. I was listening as 29.
No, sir. I'm telling 30th
Okay.
one.
30th one is right. Okay. Sorry, I thought this adding only. Why you are telling minus 7? Okay, I think this example people are more comfortable with directly telling these answers. Anyway, we are going to make some more formulas. Just I'm preempting that before. Okay. This is 57 point something which is within the principal level. So this answer is 1 and this answer is 2 because even 2 is for cos principal values only. Cos principal values are 0 to pi and 2 is between them. Whereas 6 is actually in the somewhere in the fourth quadrant. If I have something like cos inverse cos what is this 57 means 342 342. Let us say cos inverse cos 340. What is the answer I would have written?
20.
20 degrees.
20 degrees. So if this is theta, this is 360 minus theta.
Minus 6.
That is 2 pi minus theta. So in any angle in fourth quadrant, if this theta, I would have written answer as 2 pi minus theta for cos inverse cos. So based on that, when this is 6, this is 2 pi minus 6. That's it, 2 pi minus 3. Is it okay, 30th one? Rhythm day?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, what is the problem with rhythm? Is
I
this
did not understand why
Is
to
this
do
one?
like that.
Why to do like that? Because this is not in the principal values. 6 radians is around 340 degrees, let us say. Cos inverse cos 340, will you cancel cos inverse cos and right, will you write 340?
Sir, how did you understand it will be 340 degrees?
Oh, 1 radian, maybe you did not get that. 1 radian is roughly 57.2 degrees.
Oh, yes, sir. Okay. Now got
From the
it.
beginning, we are talking about it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you multiply 6, you will know around what it will be.
Yes, sir. Now understood.
I hope Saket, you are clear now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. We'll meet in the evening at 4 o'clock. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.